Hello guys, this is Anisha Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial on Wednesday Addams, my favorite character from the Addams family. I love doing makeup and cosplaying characters is what I like the most. So watch the Addams family movie and Wednesday has inspired me. I love her dark side, like so very dark. Yeah, so I thought I will do a makeup tutorial on Wednesday Addams because she's my favorite character from the Addams family. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to divide my hair into two and braid each side like Wednesday Addams. For face, I'm prepping it with Lakme Absolute Primer to cover up my pores. Next, I'm applying a Legal Pro Conceal Orange Corrector under my eyes, on dark circles and near my mouth. On that, I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Next, I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me Foundation all over my face. Now I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me Compact so the foundation sticks to the skin. Using an eyebrow pencil to shape my brows. For the eyes, I'm taking this black eyeshadow from You Can Be eyeshadow palette and I'm making a wing here. Then I'm applying the black eyeshadow all over the outer corner of my eyes. By taking this chocolate brown shade, I'm applying it on inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm applying Dazzler eyeliner gel on my upper lash line. And then I'm applying Color Essence Kohl on my lower lash line. Spreading it with a brush for smoky effect. Next, by taking Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm contouring my nose with a brown shade. Contouring my cheeks. Jawlines, and temples. applying some highlighter near my eyebrows, nose, forehead and chin. Next, I'm applying Maybelline waterproof mascara on my lashes. At last, I'm applying a brown liquid lipstick. Guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends, and moreover subscribe. Hope to see you on my next video. Until then, bye bye.